Oh yeah, for something to eat, they ought to speak.
Sometimes that'll work. Not always. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Well, it's still good video of you feeding them. That's good video. Interaction.
They're actually sweet, aren't they?
We had one of these at Reverend. We were paid by Chick-fil-A. They contact us once a week or once a month. They had a pirate night down at the store, and they contracted me to come out, hand on my shoulder, dressed in pirate uniform.
Oh yeah.
Kids sitting on my lap, playing with the bird. It was pretty cool. We got a lot of exposure that way. They actually have a book at the one on Jumpers Hole Road to have me in it.
Oh, wow.
Oh yeah, that's good.
That was cool.
Yeah.
So we've done a lot of birds over the years. We were invited years ago to training camp in Westminster for the Ravens.
Oh yeah.
They had a banquet where they were feeding all the players. And they had a roast pig and all this other stuff.
Oh yeah.
And they wanted a tropical type theme. And they invited us to bring our birds there, put them on display, and let the players interact with them.
Oh, wow.
Well, I'm not in sports. I was, elbow with Ray Lewis.
Oh, there you go.
It didn't mean nothing to me because I'm not in the sport.
Right. I sound like me.
Surprisingly, the players were more interested in me and talking about the birds.
Really?
Than I could interact with them about sports. I couldn't answer how the games go. I don't watch sports.
Right.
Did they buy any birds from them?
I don't think so. I don't think so. You do that to get the exposure, though. You hope to.
Yeah.
So we done it with Panasonic. Panasonic's headquarters was right down here off Ordnance Road years ago. We went there when the camcorders came out. They wanted to display they had all their reps come from all over the U.S. To display the features of the new camcorders and such. They wanted bright colors. And they had us take a call, mix of multiple
They are
colors.
pretty, aren't they?
And that was pretty cool. They paid us with TVs. They gave each me and my brother each a TV for doing the display.
Now, what's the difference between the one that's got the red tail?
Down below?
Oh, they all have red tails.
Yeah, those are.
Oh,
A
okay.
Congo African gray has red tails.
Oh,
On the
okay.
end, they have a burgundy colored tail. They're
Oh.
Hindi African gray.
Okay.
Depends on the region they come from.
Look at these things.
Hello.
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 Aw.
Wow.
He's backing out. He didn't know. I don't think so.
I don't know what that one's doing.
Now,
Hanging around.
are these young lovebirds?
No, they're older lovers. The one has a deformed beak. I mean, if somebody buys this one, we're going to give the other one away.
Yeah, 'cause
The
the
little
hair.
blue one's a blue mask, what they call blue mask lovebird. First, if you get them young, farm them young and play with them, they can make nice pets.
Yeah.
This one up here looks like he wants to say something, or he's waiting for something to eat. He's been opening his mouth.
Which one? That one?
He came, he comes to the front. Come on. Hello. Come on.
Hello. He was over
He
there.
usually just sits and looks pretty.
Oh, are you pretty? Are you pretty? Are you pretty? Come here.
I'm not a cockatoo fan, but if I had to take a cockatoo home, it would be him. He's quiet, he's not noisy, beautiful.
Does he care much?
Hello.
A little bit.
A little bit.
Hello. And are you social or antisocial? You're not sure. He's like.
But it's more towards the evening side. Their active part of the day is over.
Oh, really?
They're going to be heading up when the sun sets. They go to roost. All the noise you hear right now, you'll hear nothing when the sun goes down.
Oh.
Totally quiet.
Now, what are these two yellow ones?
Those are canaries.
Canaries, okay.
And the males sing really pretty. The females are kind of neat.
Oh, okay.